Are you a big Instant Pot guy? Wow, what a wild ride. We've been on a ride. Woo! I feel like we're out there. We're on the trail right now. We got the machete and we're chopping down. We're trying to find a path. We are chopping branches so they don't poke our eyes out. And I'm not trying to draw a relationship to the eye injury from earlier, but sometimes
you're locked in.
Sometimes it feels that way.
Yeah.
That you're just trying the best path you can. There's no perfect path.
Sure.
It's messy. It's muddy. Foliage. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You can use the branches you chop down to start a fire. I bought a van. I had only a small coffee, by the way. People like to say what they say. I had a small coffee. Look at that little one. I mean, I know it's got a Canadian flag on it. You a big Instant Pot guy?
Big fan. Yeah.
What's the last thing you put in an Instant Pot?
You know, the easiest thing is just soup. It's so easy. You put like a pork shoulder in there. Mm-hmm. Put chicken stock, celery, carrots, potatoes. Mm-hmm. Leave it for about 4 hours or so.
My goodness. My goodness.
Yeah.
Well,
get one.
I don't think they need any kind of advertisement from you because I don't know. It probably is the hottest kitchen gadget. I don't know. But it seems like everybody has one of these. They got these special ones, $60 each. The R2-D2 and Darth Vader collab. Star Wars Instant Pot collab. You didn't expect that.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah. You do you.
Oh.
No hate.
I'm not saying hate, but you can say if it's not for you.
No. I mean, like, it's a weird collab, but I mean, it's out there now.
What does yours look like?
Mine's a regular. It's just
what color is it?
I think black and gray.
So it's kind of like
similar to this, but I think the Star Wars element of Darth Vader is just gray before.
Right.
Yeah.
So you got the boring one.
Yes, I do.
Because what's exciting is on the inside, all that soup you've been making.
Exactly. Yeah.
May the 4th is fast approaching, so you know what that means. Deals on Star Wars themed merchandise. You can pick up the 6-quart Instant Pot with either Darth Vader or R2-D2 for $60 each, which is that's a 40% discount off the regular $100 price.
Okay.
And if you're more into the Mandalorian, you can grab the Child Little Bounty Instant Pot from Williams Sonoma. It's a link. I don't know if you want to click on it. What's that one? Oh, that's the Baby Yoda. Now, does this one convince you, Will?
Oh, good. I can't even go in there.
You're dead. Would a Baby Yoda do it for you? No. Okay.
No, it's cute. It's nice.
Out of the 3 Star Wars Instant Pots,
they should have made the fins like ears. That would have been really cool.
Well,
come on now.
They're trying to sell it for $59, all right?
Yeah.
Still a good product without it. Which of the 3 Star Wars do you choose if you're forced to keep one on your counter 24/7?
I would go for the R2-D2.
Interesting.
Make it nice.
All right.
Make it light.